Okay, ready? Let's go for a little drive, Cosette.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, somebody's gonna crash.
There you go. She goes so fast. Oops. Oh.
Yay! Let's see if she can do it, Karen.
Okay. Woo.
Where are you going, little sugar?
Keep backing out of there.
Come on, move it.
She sees herself in the mirror.
Who's that, huh?